Hi guys, this is Mike from Tech Mobile, and today I'm going to show you how to record your screen. I'm using a POCO X3 with Miui 13 installed, but this should work on any Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO device with Miui 12 or 13. Now let's get started by swiping down from your notification bar and find the screen recording button. If you can't find it on the first page, swipe to the second page, and here is my screen recorder button, but if you still can't see it, press the edit button and swipe down, and it should be here in the gray area. To make it active, just tap on it and put it in the white area to make it active. Okay, so now to activate the screen recorder, just press the button, and to record your screen, press the red button. And now your screen is being recorded. You can just do whatever you want that you want to record, and after that tap once to activate it and press the square to stop the recording. To find your recording, just press the map symbol here, and here you can see your video. And you can see that everything is working. So, and there you go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and please also subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching!